Hi folks, I bought this NSU Standard Max few days ago. Yesterday in the evening I started up the engine for the first time after some 50 years. All in all, the vehicle is in very good condition. Few parts are not original. Tail light is from Czechoslovakia, I think. Belongs to Java or maybe something like that. The speedometer is from NSU Super Fox or NSU Maxi. And the glass was broken. I put a new one. The only thing that I was put a new one is the spark, and I had to clean up the carburetor. Since the gasoline was so old, it turned into the glue or something like that, some yellow glue. So I had to disassemble it and clean it completely. Today is the second startup of the engine, and let's see what will happen. As you can see, the engine worked perfectly. I have decided to put this video and other videos on YouTube during the entire restoration of this vehicle. So if you like this video, please subscribe, and you will see another one in a week or something. I have a job, so I don't have too much time. So I will put another video as soon as I will be able to. Bye.